Hi, and welcome to Backstory on Business. I can't wait to introduce you to my next guest. He has a caring approach to providing excellent insurance coverage. I know you'll enjoy hearing from him. Stay tuned.
Welcome to this episode of Backstory on Business with your host, Leanne Cannon.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Backstory on Business. My name is Leanne Cannon. I'm an author, motivational speaker, and business coach, and I'm delighted to introduce you to my next guest, Martin King. He's the owner of the Martin L. King Insurance Agency with American Family Insurance, and he believes that his services can be a real lifesaver for families and their dreams because of his caring approach to providing excellent insurance coverage. I know you'll enjoy hearing from him today. Martin, thank you so much for being here.
How are you?
I'm
yes,
good.
My pleasure.
I'm good.
My pleasure.
I was so excited to have you with us. I was looking forward to our interview.
Yes.
Because I think that what you offer families can probably make a real difference for them. Am I right?
Yes, I agree. It's a very noble profession I'm in. Mm-hmm. Taking care of people and their dreams and the things they work so hard for is very important to me, and it's very rewarding.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. And I could tell that there's kind of a passion for you, yes?
Absolutely.
Well, I have a question for you. Of all the things that you are able to make available to families, what would you say is maybe the most important product that you offer, if there is such a thing? If you can make that distinction.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I would definitely say life insurance.
Would you?
Yes,
all right.
Because home and auto, your lenders are going to make sure you have that. Usually before you take those assets in your possession. Mm-hmm. But who makes sure that your family's taken care of? Yeah. Just me and you, Leanne. No one else is going to do that. And there's no other way to pass along generational wealth. And there's nothing more impactful to a family than losing a breadwinner.
That's true, yes.
So definitely life insurance.
Life insurance. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Why is it important for people to talk to their agent on a regular basis? I'm sure you've been encouraged to touch base with your insurance agent periodically, right? But why would that be important? Once you have it set up, why is that necessary?
Yes. Well, just as sure as talking to a family member on a regular basis is important, because life changes happen.
Well, that's true.
It changes all the time. New additions to the family, new vehicles, improvements to your home. You don't realize that if you don't inform your agent of those changes, you may not get those things covered. Okay. If you purchase an expensive piece of jewelry, that needs to be covered properly. So,
are these things that sometimes people don't think about?
They do. They don't.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So anytime type of life change, they really need to think, call my agent.
Absolutely. When you think to call a family member, you need to think to call your agent.
Okay. That's a good way of saying that.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. Well, now what about this? What are some of the most common gaps that people deal with regard to insurance, would you say?
Well, I would say when you get your home and auto, most people think, well, I'm set.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Insurance is only designed to take care of certain limits. And if you're a person that has assets, a lot of people don't think about umbrella policies. That's excess liability. Give you an example, if there's a fatal car accident, most home auto insurance stops at about $100,000. They're going to sue big. So an umbrella starts at about $1 million. And not everyone needs an umbrella, but if you're a person with things to lose, you definitely want to do that. And then the other is scheduled jewelry. You would think you get your homeowners and all your personal belongings are covered, but if you have an item that's over $2,500, it's not going to be covered properly. Okay. So that needs to be scheduled properly to make sure that we get all your value if something were to happen to it.
See, that's what I mean. People need to know this stuff. That's one of the reasons why I'm glad you're here.
Absolutely.
To let people know. I have one more question, though. Because today, a lot of people are really getting used to buying things online, ordering online, researching online. Am I right or am I right? I'm sure that this is something that you do. People used to walk into Walmart, now they, do it online.
Yes.
So here's my question. Why do you think it's important for people to work with an agency rather than an online insurance company? What's the difference?
Absolutely. And a lot of people think that online is going to be more convenient for them.
Mm-hmm.
But if you have an agent, you're going to get a value-added service that you won't get from an online company.
Okay.
I frequently meet people at their home. I frequently go out and pick things up and drop things off for them that you won't get from that. And the benefit of talking to the same person every time you call. We know the little nuances about things that you need for your business. We know your family personally.
You're developing a relationship.
Yes. And
Okay.
insurance is all about relationships.
Yeah, well, that's huge. That's
You
a
have to
huge
start
difference.
all over again with an online
Somebody
company.
new. Yeah.
Every time they pick up the phone, it's somebody different.
You got to start your story.
Got to start your story all
Yeah.
over again.
And then that caring piece that you said before, that you're wondering, how do they really care? I mean, am I a number?
Right.
But with you actually care about these
Absolutely.
families.
Yes,
Okay.
we see them with an agency. You can go into the office and you actually meet and sit down with people, and you build a relationship.
Yeah.
And that's really what we're offering. Everyone can cover your auto and your home, but it's that extra care and attention that we bring.
Well, I'm so glad that we got a chance to help people understand the difference and know about your agency.
Yes.
Speaking of which, when they want to get a hold of you, Martin, how would they do that?
Yes. So I do have a website. If you're online, you can reach me at martinlkingagency.com.
Okay.
Also, call my office, 330-867-2545. And then also my cell.
Oh, okay.
So 330-714-3469.
Wonderful. We'll have that on the screen so they'll be
Yes.
able to see that.
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
again for coming.
Oh, my
I
pleasure.
so appreciate
My
it.
pleasure, yes. Thank
Okay.
you.
And thank you for joining us on Backstory on Business.
Thank you for watching Backstory on Business. Want to recommend a business for us to highlight? Contact Karen Leonard using the information listed on the screen.